Greetings. Welcome to the 2 minutes Arduino challenge series. Interfacing Bluetooth module with Arduino is so simple as LED blink code in the example sketches. Make connections as shown in the diagram. The code is just 10 lines. Upload the sketch and press reset. Before doing so, download the app and pair with the HC05. This is the HC05 Bluetooth module. Out of 6 pins, we are making use of 4 pins to make the connection with the Arduino Uno. VCC of the SC05 module is connected to the 5 volt of Arduino. The next is the ground. Ground is connected to the ground pin of Arduino. And next is TXT of Bluetooth module, which is connected to RXT of Arduino. The last wire, the fourth wire, which is the RXT, that is connected to TXT, that is the first pin of Arduino Uno. Now let's download the app. Now already I have installed the app. Now just open the app. Okay. Now select device SC05. Now device is connected successfully. By pressing on, you can turn on the Arduino LED, which is connected to the 13th pin of the Arduino pin. See, now this LED is on, which is connected to the 13th pin of Arduino Uno. Now let's make it off. Now it's off. Again make it on. Yeah, now it's on. That's it, bingo.